One of my clients mentioned that his parents are resisting his new journey. His parents dislike change and prefer living survival oriented life. This exhibit self-sabotaging behavior that hinders their prospects for better future and financial growth. I advised them three succinct solutions. Number one, lead by example. Always be yourself and authentic. Clearly understand your why for what you are doing and connect your purpose to your actions. Number two, aware them the importance of change and the need to grow. Help them understand that embracing change and growth is essential for securing a better future and achieving financial stability. Number three, educate and involve. Offer to share resources and invite them to participate in educational sessions or activities to witness your progress and others' progress. Thank you. Stay positive. Bye for now.